First of all, I already did skin prep with Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and YSL Skin Tint. Look at the glow, like glowy base. Next I'm doing PAT McGrath eyeshadow palette for my eye look. I'm gonna start with neutral shade as a base, blending it as much as I can for a stable base which can last forever or for at least long hours. This is my forever favorite brush for eyeshadow. Adding a darker shade on an eyeliner tip and in the corner of my eyes. This eyeshadow palette has a really good pigments, especially on lighter shades. It's time for glitters. I'm adding some glitter on both of my eyes, only on the lid part. Don't forget to settle your glitter with another brush. I think I'm doing a great job. I love to draw a soft eyeliner wing with my nail on both sides. Adding some kohl pencil to darken my wing a little bit. I put on my fake lashes off camera because it's hard or it's kinda weird. Let's work on face now. I'm using NARS concealer. I think it's universal favorite. The shade is amazing. Its coverage is so good and it blends so easily, whether brush or beauty blender. Another thing is my Rare Beauty bronzer. I used to use two-faced bronzer from years, but when I invented this one, it's just there is no way going back. I use this every day, everywhere I go. Apply more or less, but it's just forever favorite. I'm using baking powder from Laura Mercier. All of the products are linked in description for reference in case anybody wants to match their shade. hope my makeup starts eating up because a blended makeup looks so beautiful and so perfect. I'm applying very light blush because my eyes are so bright and my lips are gonna be a little bit of like brighter side. And this is my new hobby, applying highlighter on my lips cupid. That's my least favorite part of makeup, doing my brows. I like to draw overline on the top and bottom of my lips and then on the line in the corner of my lips for a fuller look. I love to do cleanup around my lips because it enhances my lip look. Hope you guys like this glam look. It's fully glam for any dinner date or any event. Also, if you will have any suggestions, any questions, any ideas you want to share, please do let me know and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe.